Good morning, everybody, and today's Target Cartwheel of the day is Pillow Fort and Character Kids Homes. Now these are not going to be in the toy section. It's going to be, I think, over like in the bedding area, but it's like the little, I think it's going to be like special pillows. I don't know if the character pillows are involved, but it says that you guys can get a limit of where did I just read that? Yeah, limit 20 items per transaction. So you guys can buy 20 different types of pillow character things and get them for 30% off. So if you're looking at maybe getting a themed bedroom for Christmas or something, there you go. So I just wanted to show you guys the Cartwheel deal of the day for the kids. I'm going to try to show you guys these every single day, but I just wanted to share with you guys, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.